What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily add a link to your TikTok bio on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your TikTok application and navigate to your profile. Here, tap on the burger menu on the top right and select Settings and Privacy. From here, select Manage Account. In case you're using a personal account, then you will have to select Switch to Business Account in the Account Control section. Choose a category. You can simply use something that matches your account content, and your business account will be created. When this is done, head back to your TikTok profile and select Edit Profile. You can proceed to enter the link itself in the bio section, and it will appear when a user visits your profile. It will only be clickable after exceeding 1000 followers on your account. After getting over 1000 followers, users can proceed to tap on a link to access the page you wish to promote. Alternatively, you can add your social media accounts, such as a link to your Instagram profile or YouTube channel. In order to revert the changes to your account, you can switch back to a personal account in your account settings. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.